With classic lines and a sophisticated finish look, the Westbury Tuscany railing system provides an elegant fit for any home. With black, white, and bronze textures in stock and special order finishes available, this versatile deck railing promises to be an easy order that will highlight your ranch, new American, or craftsman style home. Get the timeless look of Westbury Tuscany, subtle enough to accentuate without overpowering. Starting off the Tuscany system is a range of post sizes and options to punctuate the architectural style of your home and fulfill your deck design. Tuscany posts are available in a sleek 2-inch size for a lean, modern look, a moderate 3-inch size to give your deck perimeter some depth and dimension, or a substantial 4-inch post size to highlight more grand home designs. Specialty posts, such as the fascia, which is mounted to the side of your deck, increasing your surface space, or the inconspicuous 2-inch crossover post that supports a continuous top rail for an uninterrupted view of your backyard, are available for unique railing layouts. Supported between the posts, the Westbury Tuscany railing lends a traditional style that is contemporary in its simplicity. The rail profile delivers a gentle top curve, perfect for a refined look and a comfortable grip, while the slender 3/4-inch balusters keep your panoramic sights open. Choose from round or square balusters to emphasize the architectural details of your home and craft the style you want. Westbury offers perfectly coordinating adjustable gates to add around pools, staircases, hot tubs, and more to increase security and protect children and pets. Keep spirits and safety up after the sun goes down by adding deck lighting to your Westbury Tuscany posts and rails. From illuminating post caps to guide lighting rail and side mount fixtures, take your backyard space from everyday to enchanting with LED deck lights brightening your evenings. Enhance the style and safety of your outdoor living with the impeccable look of Westbury Tuscany. This upgrade from wood to metal railing is sure to catch compliments while providing a long-lasting look that never goes out of fashion.
Hi, I'm Dan with the Customer Experience team at Decks Direct. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Decks Direct, helping people build better decks.